Hello guys, okay, bound to Bijan, Laguna. Order ni Boss Ferdinand Fernandez, M4177 airgun. So, airgun na siya guys, hindi siya airsoft, no? Ang bala niya ay dual. Okay, caliber 177 airgun pellets and 4.5 mm steel BBs. So, dual ammo siya guys. Okay? Pwede siyang pellets. Ayan. And then, pwede rin siyang steel BBs. Okay. Multi-pump. Including na yung scope. Okay. Order ni Sir Ferdinand bound to Pinyan, Laguna. Thank you, Sir Ferdinand Fernandez. Okay. For shipping na siya. Okay. M4177.